Hi dear financial backers in Crypto Vault. Guerrilla currency, APE, the local digital money of the well-known non-fungible token, NFT, assortment board Ape Yacht Club, BAKE, turned into the greatest metaverse token by market capitalization barely a month after its delivery. The coin has ousted Decentraland's coin, Mana, which has been around since mid-2020. Late news that APECOIN will carry out a marking component before long, as well as Elon Musk momentarily changing his profile picture on Twitter to an arrangement of various symbols from the BAKE NFT assortment, drove the APE NFT coin cost up on 5 May as it figured out how to acquire almost 19% of its worth in under 24 hours. Will the future APECOIN value forecast be pretty much as bullish as its promising beginning? And what are the vital projections for the famous NFT cryptographic money? What is APECOIN? APECOIN, APE, was sent off on 17 March 2022 by the organizers behind the BAKE NFT assortment Yuga Labs, which additionally shaped the APE Foundation, a method for supporting the decentralized advancement of the ape biological system. Made determined to turn into the heart of workmanship, gaming, amusement, and occasions on the blockchain, the Ape Foundation will be accountable for neglecting the choices of the APECOIN Decentralized Autonomous Organization, DAO. The crypto will be liable for organization, accounting, project the board and different undertakings important to guarantee the DAO people group can construct new Web3 applications and administrations, for example, the APE NFT coin itself. APECOIN's primary center is decentralization, and through the APE improvement proposal process it will permit APECOIN DAO individuals to go with choices in regards to ecosystem fund assignments, administration rules, impending ventures, associations, and that's only the tip of the iceberg. The APECOIN Foundation is overseen by a board which supervises the local area and does DAO recommendations. The underlying board serves a term of a half-year and is casted a ballot in by DAO individuals. The ongoing individuals from the board are Reddit fellow benefactor Alexis Ohanian, FTX head of adventures and gaming Amy Wu, Sound Ventures head Maria Bajwa, Animoca Brands prime supporter and Seat Yatsu, Horizon Labs president and general insight Dean Steinbeck. The APE NFT coin is an ERC-20 digital money planned on the Ethereum convention. Aside from administration, the token provides holders with admittance to specific pieces of the environment inaccessible to other people, like restrictive games, product, occasions and administrations. Can be integrated into different administrations, games, and activities. APECOIN was sent off through an airdrop, which permitted specific gatherings of holders to get the tokens as remunerations. The cryptographic money's complete stock stands at 1 billion. No new tokens can be stamped. Upon discharge, the token's absolute stock was appropriated as follows: 62% was apportioned to the environment's asset and given to BAKE and Mutant Ape Yacht Club, MAKE, NFT holders. 16% was dispensed to Yuga Labs and Good Cause. 14% was dispensed to the organizations and individuals that assisted with making the undertaking. 8% was allotted to the BAKE organizers. At the hour of compassing, 9 May, north of 284 million APECOINs were available for use as per CoinMarketCap. Primate's market capitalization outperformed $3.18 billion, making it the 33rd greatest digital money. APECOIN cost examination following fruitful introduction. The APE NFT coin saw its worth flood 126.8% on the principal day of send-off, coming to $16.47, up from $7.2604 in under 24 hours, as seen on the cost graph beneath. The coin withdrew to $14.03 before the day's over and kept on moving sideways all through 19 March 2022, proceeding tumbling to values simply above $9 on 21 March 2022. By 24 March, the APE token cost moved back to more than $14 as expectation became in front of the very first APECOIN DAO casting a bat. The cryptographic money crested at $15.43 on 28 March 2022, proceeding leaving on a negative excursion into April 2022. In April 2022, the APE token cost topped on 3 events. On 10 April at $12.27, the Bored and Hungry Eatery in California turned into the very first providing food foundation to acknowledge installments in Ether, ETH, and APE. On 21 April at $17.31 following declarations that APECOIN was helping out the Olive X Fitness metaverse to allow APE token holders unique admittance to the metaverse's transition to acquire Dustland Games. On 29 April at $26.19 its record-breaking high worth, as 3 new recommendations were opened for APECOIN DAO individuals to decide on. On 30 April 2022, one of the biggest NFT commercial centers, OpenSea, reported that it would begin tolerating the APE digital money for NFT buys on its foundation. This prompted a more than 30% one-day gain, as the APE value rose to simply beneath $25. Following 102% April 2022 increases, the APE NFT coin outline began a downwards pattern, losing more than 45% of its worth when encompassing 9 May. Today the coin is exchanging at $11.24. Concerning APE token specialized examination, transient feeling for the token at the hour of compassing 9 May was to a great extent negative. A relative strength index, RSI, perusing of 41.89 was pointing towards a nonpartisan area. A perusing of 30 or beneath would demonstrate that the resource is becoming underestimated. In the interim, the token was exchanging beneath its 3, 5 and 10-day moving midpoints, showing a negative pattern. Will APECOIN return up? Future viewpoint. The presentation outcome of the coin and its fast cost inversion leaves an inquiry on financial backers' lips. Is APECOIN a wise speculation? There are numerous variables affecting everything. Late APECOIN news saw APECOIN DAO individuals endorse 2 estimates that would allow them to secure their tokens for a while in return for more APECOINs in future. The finish of this choice on 5 May 2022 prompted a scaled-down flood in the APE cost, which hopped by 23.9%, up from $14.13 on the earlier day to $17.52. In a declaration in a Twitter string, APECOIN noticed that the new updates would be executed inside the following little while following the finish of the democratic. Likewise, on 5 May, another proposition was going live for a local area-wide vote to manage security devices and schooling. The vote is set to end by 12 May 2022. If fruitful, the arrangement will be executed in 3 stages. Other APECOIN news that could move the APE cost in what's in store remembers the send-off of Otherside for 1 May 2022, the biggest development of the Bored Ape NFT universe, fueled by APECOIN. Otherside is an online metaverse and pretending game associated with the Bake environment where players can buy grounds and land. It was accounted for that 45 minutes after the metaverse's send-off, Bake sold more than $100 million worth of advanced land. Following the 1 May triumphs, crypto investigator and the organizer behind APE Global, Michael van de Poppe, said on Twitter that the APE cost forecast could leave on a bullish pattern towards $19 and even $20. What is the future of APECOIN? The APE crypto cost expectation given by calculation-based determining administrations at the hour of compassing 9 May recommended the worth of the NFT digital money could flood before very long. Note that value forecasts can be off base. They ought not be utilized alternative for your own exploration. How high can APECOIN go? At the hour of compassing 9 May, calculation-based organization Wallet Investor gave a bullish APE United States dollar figure, taking note of that the coin could reach $87.357 by 2027. Digitalconpress repeated that feeling, anticipating that the token should reach $16.23 toward the finish of 2022 and $25.30 toward the finish of 2025. Note that value expectations could be off base. You ought to constantly lead your own reasonable level of effort prior to exchanging or effective financial planning. Will APECOIN, APE, reach $30? Calculation-based anticipating administration Wallet Investor anticipated that APE future cost should outperform the $30 esteem by 2023 at $30.501. In the interim, Digital Press anticipated that the APE cryptography